Today I'm going to be making toys with fiber foraging cups. I'm going to put our treats in the cup, cover them, and that's it. This is very simple. This is just to let your parrot get familiar with the toy. This is step 2. You put the lid on the fiber cup. So now they'll have to chew through the fiber lid or the cup to get to the treat that's inside. Now level 3 is where we can become a bit more creative and make a toy. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to poke holes through 2 lids and the cups. I like using paper rope. I'm going to make a knot on one end. Put one of the cups through. Treat. Some little bit of shredder. The lid back on. Go maybe around here. Make a loop so that we can hang it. Then on the other side, I'm gonna go lid first. Cup. Treat. Shredder. Shredder paper in there. Put a knot at the end. There you go. Now this will increase the difficulty because now they'll be dangling.